Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dyah Sukma. My ID number is 180591777. Now I'm going to present about the effect of electronic word of mouth or EWOM and brand image of repurchase intention through brand trust in Garuda Indonesia Airlines. So for the chapter 1, in this era, almost all people carry out activities by using transportation to move from one place to another. Transportation is an important part of life. There are various types of transportation used to carry out activities, namely transportation by land, sea, and air, but the United States Transportation Agency, or DOT, states that air transportation by airplane is the safest mode of transportation compared to other types of transportation. The risk of death due to an airplane crash is 1 in 9.8 to 1 in 2015 by Compass.com and with full service is PT Garuda Indonesia. Garuda Indonesia was able to get various awards both nationally and internationally. In addition, Garuda Indonesia also won the top brand award in Indonesia in 2020 as shown in table 1.1, where Garuda Indonesia is in first position from its competitor Batik Air. The general objective of this research is to analyze and determine the effect of electronic word of mouth or EWOM on the purchase intention through brand trust on Garuda Indonesia Airlines. And the benefit is as a suggestion for Garuda Indonesia Airlines in providing solutions to overcome the declining interest in repurchasing customers and adding insight and knowledge for researchers in developing matters related to air ticket marketing management. And for implication is the implication of the research is the electronic word of mouth and brand image can increase repurchase intention through brand trust in Garuda Indonesia Airlines. Now I will explain the chapter 2. First is report 20 and 8. Repurchase intention is defined as an individual's judgment about service repurchase and the decision to engage in future activities with the service provider and the form it will take. 2 is EWOM. According to Turau et al. In Haikal et al. In 2018, electronic word of mouth is a positive or negative statement made by consumers about a product or company that can be accessed by many people or institutions via the internet. 2 is brand image. Brand image is also referred to as a customer's perception of a brand, which is reflected in the brand's association held in the customer's memories by Herzog and Swasti in 2016. 3. Brand trust. Brand trust is defined as consumers' confidence and willingness to rely on the brand's ability to perform the promised function by Kuldery and Holbrook in 2001. Chapter 3 is methodology. So this research is a quantitative research with associative or relationship research design. The study was conducted in the city of Padang, West Sumatra. The population of the study is all Garuda Indonesia Airlines customers who have used Garuda Indonesia Airlines in the last year, especially Garuda Indonesia Padang Airlines. The method of determining the sample in this study used the purposive sampling method, namely the method of determining respondents to be used as simple based on certain criteria. The criteria for determining the sample in this study include respondents who are at least 20 years old with the consideration of being able to understand and be able to answer questionnaire objectively and respondents who have used Garuda Indonesia Airlines twice or more in a year. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for attention and sorry for any mistake.